Alright, folks, let's look at this case. Everyone knows the Buick GL8. This vehicle is fairly long, over 5 meters, about 5.2 meters. He's trying to park in the third space from the left. This time, there's no way he's getting in successfully because he didn't keep the vehicle close to the left side. Once the car starts going in, there's basically no room left at either the front or the rear. Let's roughly recreate the situation and talk through how to get it into the space in this kind of scenario. First of all, the vehicle isn't close enough to the left side. Now turn the wheel fully right and move forward. Once the vehicle is angled, there's not much space left in front on the right side because once you shift into reverse, you won't have much room to steer left. If you can't turn enough, this is what happens when the car goes in. There's no room at the rear and no room at the front. So remember this, everyone. When the parking space is on the left, keep the vehicle as close to the left side as possible. Then use the rear wheel as your reference and line the rear wheel up with the obstacle point. If there is an obstacle point, line up with that. If there isn't, use a point line, reference line it up with the bay corner line. Once you're lined up, turn fully right and move forward until the vehicle is at an angle. As soon as you can see the bay corner in the rear view mirror, shift into reverse and turn fully left. That will bring the car smoothly into the parking space. Even if there's another car parked in space, 205, you can use the same method and still get a car in. Watch this. Keep the vehicle close to the obstacle point. Then line up the rear wheel with the obstacle point. You can use the gray car's headlight as a reference or line up with the marking line once you're roughly in that range. Turn fully right and move forward. This time, use the left side mirror to pick out the reference obstacle. That reference point is the headlight of the gray car. Now shift into reverse and crank the wheel all the way left. Back in while keeping the car close to that obstacle point. CE in reverse. Steer all the way left, but this time, there's no way to get it in with just one move. In other words, the right rear corner is going to be at risk. Since there is still space in front, we can make an adjustment. That means turn the wheel all the way right and pull forward. Then turn it all the way left and back up, and the car will go right in. So, got it. If you found it helpful, save it for later.